To set up Klarna payment, start by creating a Klarna merchant account on the Klarna website. This will give you access to the Klarna dashboard where you can manage your payments and settings. Once you have created your account, you will need to verify your business information and agree to the terms and conditions. Next, you will need to install the Klarna plugin or module on your e-commerce platform. This will depend on the platform you are using, such as Shopify or WooCommerce. The plugin will provide a seamless integration with Klarna and allow you to offer Klarna as a payment option to your customers. After installing the plugin, you will need to configure your Klarna settings. This includes setting up your payment methods, such as Pay Now, Pay Later, and Slice It. You will also need to set up your shipping options and fees. Make sure to test your Klarna payment option to ensure it is working correctly. To test the payment option, go to your website and add a product to your cart. Proceed to checkout and select Klarna as your payment method. You will be redirected to the Klarna payment page where you can enter your payment information. Make sure to check that the payment is processed successfully and that you receive a confirmation email. It is also important to note that Klarna has certain requirements and restrictions for merchants, such as minimum sales thresholds and specific product categories. Make sure to review these requirements before setting up Klarna payment to ensure you are eligible. In addition, Klarna provides a range of tools and resources to help you get started, including a comprehensive guide to setting up Klarna payment and a dedicated support team. Make sure to take advantage of these resources to ensure a smooth setup process. By following these steps, you can easily set up Klarna payment and offer your customers a flexible and convenient payment option. Klarna payment can help increase conversions and reduce cart abandonment, making it a valuable addition to your e-commerce platform.